player of all time.
Lisa.
May research kami hanggang ngayon, ikakarira na. Hanggang ngayon, yung volleyball player yung okay? Kanita, pa-check upin me, sure win na ka. One, tingin kapin na, yung labiyasa niya, yung labiyasa niya naman na group. Okay, the MVP for volleyball. Give it up for Angelica Rojas.
Meme, ulit na.
Pause pa. Mag-pause ka pang volleyball. Pang volleyball.
Ping tuloy nga yung house ko, Pring.
Thank you very much.
Just a little bit, like 3 shots.
Uy, atin yung vodka na. Bitak pa.
Ay, malak mo, Sam. Matapang yan.
Bitak pa.
Bitak ba?
Malalam.
Ay, no. Ako nas malasing na akin ang bisa sa akin.
Muri klaseng ko pa yung dati pa.
This one? You want this?
Abang ice please, was sexy.
MVP for volleyball.